In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete sections in Weebly. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. From your dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site. Once you're in the website editor, navigate to the page that contains the section you want to remove. Scroll through the page until you find the section you no longer need. Move your cursor over the section and click to select it. A toolbar or menu will appear with options for that section. Click Delete or the trash can icon, then confirm the action if you're prompted. The section will be removed from your page immediately. If you accidentally delete the wrong section, use the Undo option to restore it before publishing your changes. When you're happy with your updated layout, click Publish to save your changes and update your live website. That's how to delete sections in Weebly. Thanks for watching.